to be honest. It's nice. I am almost there. I'm walking in the street. It's 03 PM and I'm late. Oh my god. For today's video, kaming dalawa lang ni Mami Malin. Okay guys, uwi na naman kami. Dalawa lang kami ni Mami Malin. Ang ganda ng ano guys, pagkatapos ng ulan. Agree me? Yes. Kakapatapos na ng ulan guys. Ito na sa ibang bansa. Saan? Ayan yan. We're going home and it's weekend! Oh my god! Bye-bye!